Hey guys, it's Michelle with Monarch Graphics and Design, and today I'm going to show you how to type in a shape. So let's get our canvas, file new. We're just messing around, so I just have a preset. You can type in whatever size you want. Okay, so we're going to go to our shape tool right here. If you right click on it, you can see all these different tools. Yours might look a little different because you might have the rectangle open. So just look for any of these tools or these shapes, because any one of them could be over here, but it's right here under just a couple under your text tool. We're going to go ahead and click on custom shape tool, and then down from this where it says shape, there's a drop down menu, and then there's different shapes here, and if you click on this, there's more shapes, so you can add them to this palette right here. But we're just going to go ahead and do the heart, and I've got my color here is red. I'm going to start up here in the corner. I'm going to hold my shift key so that it stays proportionate, and I'm just going to click and drag. And then I'm going to go to my text tool, and you'll see that the little cursor there turned round. If I have it out here, it's a square. Here it's round, and then I know that I'm in the right place and that it's going to go into the shape. So click on it, and then it creates a box around your shape, but all you have to do is, but it won't go in the whole box, it just goes in the shape. And then you can kind of see it didn't do it perfectly, so you can just go in here and fix it, get it how you want it, because it's going to depend on what you type, the font you choose. Okay, and then it's still not perfect, but we're going to click the check mark, and then we're going to go over to paragraph, and we're going to click justify last centered, and then that makes it go to the edges. See, I can add one more there, and then I don't really like the way that looks, so I'll just enter that, and then it's not quite up to the top, but that's okay. And then push the check mark, and then if you delete this, you just have this, and then to get that line around it to go away, you just raster size it, and then it goes away, and then you've got your heart shape. So that's why I said it didn't matter that it wasn't up at the very, very top, because now you can't even tell. So that's how you do it, guys. And if you have any problems with spacing or anything like that, I don't know if it'll do it right now, because I've already gone too far. So let me go back a little bit here. Oh, I went too far back. I'm just going to leave it right there for a second, because so if you have any trouble with spacing, you get on your character tab here, and if you don't have a character tab here, you go to window, and then you click on character, and then I think, yeah, you have, oh, okay, so then see how it squeezes it together, or it really separates it apart. So you can play with this if you have, because sometimes if you type it, it'll be too squishy, or maybe, maybe you want it more apart. Like, that's okay. Like, that has a little bit of distance to it, and it still looks okay. I mean, I would still, go through and fix it like this. But, so I just want to let you know if you have any problems with spacing, this is how you fix it. You go into character and pick the size that you want. And then you just get it the way you want. And then that's when you would turn this off. And then there you go. I didn't fix it, but you get the point. All right, guys, just a short video. I hope you guys will join us on our Facebook group. It's for graphic designers and Photoshop users, no matter what your skill level is. We'd love to see your work, what you're working on. And you can learn, you can give advice, you can get advice. Just a great group to check out. And the link is in the description below. And if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you can see all my videos, and I will talk to you guys later.